Come on now. I mean, I know you watching this and everything. I just came through. I came with a blunt and everything. I just wanted to break no contact. I've been working on myself, doing better. I got a better job, getting bread. You know what I mean? I really just came through. Just have a peace offering. I know you in there. Oh, it's for you. I made it about you. I wanted to give your opinion in person, but this is what I have to do. Let me know what you think. What I expect is you feel guilty for the way that it would break your heart to know that your friend isn't your friend anymore. You're done feeling stupid. I'm out of excuses. I'm not about it. Oh, you been tired, been playing. Give it one love, yeah, that we ain't the same. Had to go through some shit, I learned how to change. But my life ain't you, it will always stay the same. So useless, never cheated on you, never had you looking stupid. You love for granted, I feel that I feel foolish. I'm trying to make you happy, baby, that's what I'm doing. I'm not about it. Oh, you been tired, been playing. Give it one love, yeah, that we ain't the same. Some real shit though, like I just let me know what you think about the song. Call me. Don't leave only because your neighbors are looking at me. Call me.